Hey guys, Austin here with Bullish Breed Trading, and today I want to take you guys through today's price action, today's trading, and kind of what I was thinking and what I actually did. So, like every other day, before I start trading, I want to map out significant support and resistance levels. So, going into today, we've been on this nice downtrend going into 2024. We had a nice push up, push back down. We made a higher low right here. As you can see, we have this one wick area right here. That's the first low. And then we have another low. So we're making higher lows going into today. And if we look at where our resistance would be, I have this short-term resistance right here, wick off, another push off here. So this area was going to be some sort of supply area where we could see some selling. And then I had this other area back here, touched it once, touched it again, and then retested it. So support turned resistance, and we started making our move back down. That would be another resistance area. So that's resistance 1, resistance 2, and then my third resistance you can really see on a daily chart. All it is just when we had this big sell-off right here and then we pushed up, this area was going to act as resistance again. So those were my 3 areas of resistance. So going into the price action off the 5-minute, let's just take a look, right? So this is pre-market into the open. So I also like to put on this prior day close. Prior day close is really important because it tells me how strong we were from the previous day. So sometimes if the market closes at a certain level and for the pre-market is pushing off of that close and we're moving up, it's telling me that people are buying into the move for today. So if the price is above that level, I want to look more to the long side, and if price is below, I want to look more towards the short side. So when we look at the open right here, we can see we're above prior day close, right? We're above pre-market highs, and then we have this strong push up, right? So we're coming up to this first resistance, which is right here. You can see we want to see some selling if we want to get short, right? We want to see some sort of bearish candle, something red, just like a market structure where it's telling us that there's people that are selling here and the price can't get above. But we didn't get that, right? So I'm gonna click on my 9 EMA. We didn't get that. We got no selling right here. We closed above. This is initially where I took my position because I wanted to see if price is going to hold above or if price is going to hold below. If price is going to hold below, I would look to take short. If price holds above, then I want to look to take long. My stop loss on this trade, it could be a dollar amount, but I like to basically do if it breaks this 9 EMA. If it breaks this 9 exponential moving average, like closes beneath it, then I want to get out of this trade, right? But my idea was if we hold above this area, I want to take it up to the next resistance. And then if we don't, then I stop out for a small loss and a loss today. So we didn't get that. We actually just pushed up nicely, broke out again, right? I sold my longs here. I saw this consolidation. I wanted to kind of get close to this EMA for another entry. So I decided to take another entry right here. I saw this flag pattern, basically just a big push up and some consolidation. So I took my longs right here. I put my stop right below these 2 candles and I traded it on up, and that was it for the day. I had a couple really good trades. I did extremely well. As you can see, this price went all the way up, touched the 3rd level, but I missed majority of that move. But in general, that's kind of like the way that I look to take setups on the day. You kind of want to follow trend. So this 9 exponential moving average is a really good guide for you. Also, just higher lows, higher highs, all of these things lead you to picking the right side of the trade, whether you're going long or short, and it helps you become profitable because you're staying on the right side of the move. All right, guys.